Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna do unboxing and review of the VacLife car air compressor. This one I bought on Amazon. I paid, I believe, $20 after a coupon. Um, Before I even start, I'm just gonna mention everything I review on my channel is my own money. I don't get anything free or discounted unless there's coupons. They're available for everybody. So for this one, I bought it because it has some really good reviews. I know some of the Amazon reviews can be fake and stuff, but I really went through a lot of reviews, and I would say majority did say a lot of good stuff about it. So that's the reason I bought it. I actually do need one. I didn't just buy it for, just to buy it. My tire pressure sensor went off, so it probably I need to add some air. So this one is, as I already mentioned, it's portable, but plug-in is for the car lighter plug. So it's DC 12 volt, has a digital display and a LED light. And as you guys can see on the back, already mentioned power source, and it's for tire pressure for 50 psi, so it's not going to work on some other tires. I know some tires can go even over 50 psi. I know mine are 33 psi, so I'm good for that. And you can also pump other stuff like mattresses, balls, and other stuff. It has four display units, PSI, kPa bar, and kilograms per square inch. I'm assuming that's kilogram force per square inch. Cord length is 11 feet. Flow rate is 35 liters per minute, I believe. It can work up to 8 minutes, but I'm gonna assume it probably gets really hot after 5-6 minutes, and you might need to shut it off for it to cool down. I'm not sure if this one has automatic shut off if it gets too hot, but let's open it. Let's see what it looks like, what it comes with. So pretty much got what is this? Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is the other inflators. It looks like it comes with a fuse too, which is nice. Fuse, and it has a couple different inflators. This one is the one with the needle, is for balls. And then you have this one, could be for balloons or a mattress or something like that. But yeah, it comes with three different ones and a fuse, which is nice to have because sometimes the fuse can go bad. Then you can register it. It says additional 2-year warranty, a chance to win a gift card, and first access to new products. And then you have the manual, which is half English, half Chinese. And basically it's gonna tell you. I'm gonna look over that before I actually do a review, go outside and do a review and show you guys how it works. But yeah, it's half English, half Chinese manual. I saw a lot of them on Amazon, even eBay. They look the same, just different names. So I would say it's generic Chinese air compressor. It just has a different name. But we'll see how it works. I mean, for 20 bucks, it's not bad. I know there was some at Walmart for around that price, but the reviews weren't that good. So it tells you the steps. I'm not gonna remove this one. I had some of them before, but I borrowed a couple of them from my friend, and now this is my first one that I actually own. So as you guys can see, this the digital display, and then you have the buttons. I'll show you that all later when I go outside. There's a light. We'll see how powerful that light is. There's some rubber stoppers. I don't know if that's rubber. It looks actually like a foam, not a rubber. Yeah, I think it is a foam. When you put it down it's gonna shake a lot. So hopefully those stoppers make it not move all over the place. The last one I had was like going back and forth. But yeah, as you guys can see, it has a car signal ladder plug, DC 12 volt. Looks like the cable is pretty long. They say it's 12 feet, I believe. So that's good. And then inside should be, let me pull it out. Oh, it's kind of all, let's see, should be, I believe they said it's 2 feet, and it looks like it's about 2 feet. All right, yeah, I got it out. Yeah, looks like it's about 2 feet. So we'll see how this plug does too. Some reviews were complaining about this part coming off. It doesn't come with the exchange. Ooh, I can already tell this is a little bit, I mean, it's plastic, but it's like moving left and right just by touching it, which might not be an issue for first couple, you know, uses, but in the long run, yeah, that's gonna be an issue. Yeah, you can tell how cheap it is just by moving it, but I'll go outside and test it and see how it works. But yeah, that's it. I'll be back, and then I'll read the manual, and then I'll go outside and give it a test. Alright, I'm outside now, and the first thing you want to do before you start anything is make sure you know what's your PSI on your tires. For me is 33 PSI front and back, and then this is the spare tire, which is 60 PSI, which I won't be able to do with this air compressor because it only goes up to 50 PSI. So yeah, that's the first thing you do, and then the next one is you go and you start the engine. Unless your car can support cigarette lighter power without the engine being on. And then next thing you do is you find a cigarette lighter, and then you, let me turn the music down, and then you plug it in. There you go. So now you go outside. You can open the windows if you want, or you can just leave the door. I'm gonna try doing my passenger front tire first. Alright, let's go around. Man, sorry about it. It's like very dirty. Like where I live, it's just so freaking dusty. So then you're just gonna plug it in and make sure I don't lose this. Let's see, I'm gonna get it a little bit closer. Now we're just gonna, actually the first thing I was gonna maybe do is check the PSI of the, let me see if I have one of those. I think I should have one of those. Oh yeah, I do. To check the PSI of my tire. I believe it's the front passenger one that's giving me the troubles. It's not like, let's see. So this one is about, let me see if the camera can zoom in on this thing. It's hard to zoom in. Oh, there we go. It's about 26, I believe. So yeah, this one is definitely a troublemaker. Also forgot to mention, this one has the compressor has, like, it can tell you how many PSI it does have. So let me put my phone down just to, alright, so got it on, and let's see, it tells me it's 18.5 kPa. I want the PSI 26.5. That's the actual rating that I got on this, so it's pretty accurate so far. Maybe off by 0.5, or we don't know yet, but anyways, we're gonna set it at 33, and this one has automatic shut off once it reaches the PSI you need it on. And we'll press the power button. I'm not even sure if it's working. I don't hear anything. So that's weird. There we go. It did shut off by itself. So we got it on 33. I think it does a little bit over, which is fine. Okay, we removed that. Now let's check it with my my tire pressure checker, whatever it's called. Let's see. All right. Looks like it's 32 and then one. Yeah, it does look like it's exactly 33. So let's put the cap on. Then we'll probably move it to the next side. Okay, I'll be back. Alright, I just finished inflating my tires, and just to sum it up, it works. It does what I bought it for. It did add air to my tires, 33 to 33.5, so it went a little bit over, but which is fine as long as you don't go over, you know, by like 3 to 5 psi. I think it's still fine. One thing I noticed right off the bat was the cap that you put on the tire valve. It's a bit flimsy, especially on top. Hopefully that doesn't come, you know, that doesn't become an issue in the long run. It did work. It did what it's supposed to. Automatic shut off was really nice. Digital display was really nice. The last one I had like one of those not digital, the one with the what do you call that, needle that goes up and down, which wasn't accurate at all. So this one seemed much more accurate. The power button was weird. You push it in and then nothing happens, then you have to push it in again, or I tried holding it, so it was weird. I tried the flashlight. I didn't show it on camera, but I did try it. It's kind of weak. I mean, it is a daytime, so I don't know at night if it would be better. But I think the flashlight is just to find the tire valve, so you can remove the cap. And but that's pretty much it. If you can get it around $20 to $25, I think it's a good buy. I can't say the longevity of it yet because I only used it once. You're supposed to add air to the tires every 6 months or so, because I heard they lose about around 1 psi every month or so. So you know, once the tire, like for example, mine is 33, so it's gonna go down to like 26, and then the sensor is gonna go on, like in your car. I don't know if you have those, but then, you know, so I'm probably not gonna use it in another at least 3-4 months. I haven't put any air in back tires. They usually stay stable on the back tires. Front ones are, because of the engine of the weight, a lot of weight on it, so it loses pressure more often than the back tires. But yeah, I'll post the link of it in my video, and I'll also post the coupon. It did work about 2 days ago, so I got it for 18 bucks plus tax was around 20, so I'll post that also. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe. I'll be doing more videos like this, and thank you guys for watching again.